Two officials from Saudi Pro League side Al Nassr are currently in Goa to check the preparedness of the state, to check the facilities of the state ahead of the big clash against FC Goa on 22nd October. There is a lot of buzz when it comes to this game because people are expecting Cristiano Ronaldo to arrive in the state. However, there is no confirmation yet of Ronaldo coming to Goa, but we do know that he has applied for the Indian visa. Well, the two officials went to Fatauda Stadium. They checked the facilities there. Today, they will meet Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar and DGP, and they will check out the preparedness of the security aspects and all other preparedness. They have also checked on the shortlisted hotels for where the players will be staying. As per reports, Al Nassr team will arrive in Goa on 20th October. The two officials will check on the state's overall preparedness and report back to the club. When it comes to the group stage, FC Goa are currently bottom of the league, while Al Nassr are currently on the top number one position.